How to Make Money with Online Games, your step-by-step guide to making money with online games by HowExpert. If you want to combine the fun and enjoyment of playing games online and making a profit from it, but need to know where to start, this guide is for you. In this step-by-step guide, How to Make Money Playing Online Games, you will learn how and what you need to get into gaming, discover marketing strategies of the gaming world, maximize your power leveling potentials and how to earn as an employee and corporate, discover secret strategies to earn through online games, how to earn money through MMORPGs, how to be a party player, learn important tips and techniques on how to sell your virtual items, learn how to make money and win prizes in competitions, and so much more. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. How to get into online games. Chapter 2. How to earn online. Chapter 3. Ways to earn money playing online games. Chapter 4. Power leveling. Chapter 5. Earning money through MMORPGs. Chapter 6. Earning money through massively multiplayer online games. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.